Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I am installing the wig that I created a couple of weeks back. I actually colored it, and my model is here to put it on, so you guys just stick around and see how this turned out. So I would like to take this time out to welcome all the new handlers to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It if it's your first time. And what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, anything that has to do with beauty, you're in the right place. And if you're willing to learn something, you're also in the right place. So just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and we'll love on you over here. So this unit, I actually used the 5x5 closure, and I used hair and sewed this unit from scratch. Now I am just cutting around the ear only on this side to give her a little space, but as you guys can see, I colored the wig. Nothing too much, something simple, because my client loves color. So we did that. So you guys just stick around, watch me work, see what you can take away and add it to your own technique, and leave a comment below and let me know what you think. So what I did here for a little extra comfort, I added 2 pieces out of a pack of 27 pieces. You know those little curly short pieces, maybe a 1-inch I used. Excuse the background, guys. And I just glued that for her sideburn, so everything is covered right there and she don't have to worry about any shifting or anything. The other side is long, so she's secure on that side. So that's what I did for that. Now I'm just adding a little lotta body to mold her down, and we're gonna get her styled. Now if you're new here and you want to know how I make my units, my wigs from scratch, I have a lot of videos on my channel that you can just go back to and check out my channel. I have a lot of things that you can learn from how to make tutorials on how to make lace wigs and little knickknacks, hacks and stuff like that. So you guys go take a look, press subscribe, make sure you leave a like, guys. Now I like to mold my hair with lotta body because it keeps everything together. It looks shiny, it holds better when you style it, and it makes the hair so soft. So that is the reason why I use lotta body. Set the hair, put the client under the dryer, and you guys will see. Now the products that I'm using in this video are either from Sally's Beauty Supply, Amazon, or BSW Beauty Supply. You can find any one of these products I'm using on any one of those sites. I'm still figuring out YouTube, guys. Soon I'll have the Amazon store where you could just click on the link on whatever product I'm using, and it will be so much easier for you guys. So stick around, join the fam. We're growing. We're going to get there, okay? So as you probably can tell from the video, this unit fits very snug. My model did not need a band under it. The lace was very nice. It matched her skin so nice. and it will be easy for her to maintain. It's not a full lace in the front from ear to ear where, you know, it's more time and effort to take care of it. So I'm feeling like she's really going to enjoy this style. She's going to feel more secure, less work for her. And yeah, guys, remember to leave a like. It will get me out there in the algorithms. Share this video. So the blend of the color came out just perfect. I didn't want to do too much in the back, so we put highlights and everything just blended so perfectly. So I'm not going to talk too much, guys. Just watch the rest of the video. I have more heat coming up for you guys. I'll see you guys at the end to close it out. But I love you guys. Thanks for supporting me. And keep watching. That's all I got to say. enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much. Thanks for all the support. And I hope you were able to take away something from this video and make it your own. And that's all I hope for any of and all of my videos. Thank you guys so much, and see you in the next one. Mwah!